27 divided by 9 equals 3. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. But this answer is not right. Because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present, and according to the rules we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this part first because that's on the left side. 27 divided by 9, that gives us 3. Our expression becomes 3 divided by 27 divided by 9. Now we need to solve this division because now this one is on the left side, so this can be written as 3 over 27. Then we have divide by 9 present from the original expression, and we can write it as 9 over 1. Now we have one division operator left and we have fractions on the other side of it. So to solve this, what we can do is we can use KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep the first fraction 3 over 27 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 9 over 1 to 1 over 9. Now we have multiplication operator present here, and all we need to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. But before doing that, we need to see if we can simplify these fractions here. And yes, we can cancel out this 3 and we can cancel out this 9. 9 divided by 3, that gives us 3. So now we have 1 left in the numerator and we have 27 times 3 left in the denominator, and when we simplify it we get 1 over 81, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.